You begin with the one in the middle, the one with the back cover.
This is the first one at CPS. This is the suicide bomber.
So huyo baba mlage
Maybe afundika. The ones are called red.
oyo alika akamyuka oyo atambula oyo ne backpack ensawo yo ku mugongo kati yatuuse ku motoka za poliisi n'anyiga bomu n'etulika.
Then there's another version, another camera that captured him.
Kamera eyokubiri eyasobodde okubaka ebifaananyi. Of course, at that stage, you would not tell that this is a suicide bomb, even if the picture, the cameras captured him.
Avira ludda luli
Nategereza eno waggulu.
Kabagirinde huyo.
So you will see him coming from this side.
Huyo ajja huyo n'anyiga.
So,
Those are for CPS. For Parliament, the camera was at a certain distance, so it's not, you see it in a distance around here. They're on the motorcycles.
You leave it.
It was around 10-6.
10-6.
Yes, 10-5.
Go.
Okay, you can live there. You can live there. Yalutonze.
You see them? You see them?
Ababoda boda baba babiri obalengedde mubalengedde mujja kubalaba baabo babiri bajja abo ababiri abo aha
Pikipiki bbiri ffe tumanyi ababoda naye
These two, you see them?
mubalabye
Were they all
Okay. See them now? See them?
mubalabye baabo babiri
were they both carrying different explosives?
Of course, they had explosives on them. So we are not bringing the list of the injured right now. So we've checked on the injured victims. Like we told you, there are 5 who are critically injured. Of course, the media is all around the hospital, but we request that for now, let's try to give those who are injured some bit of privacy and simply help them to recover. Remember, they are traumatized, and amongst the injured, there are some police officers. When you start sharing these pictures anyhow, of course it does have a way that it affects the others. And we really need to be cautious while sharing these images. Remember, there are images of the dead. And as professional journalists, you know how to carry these images forward. There are some bloggers already